Hello everyone, in this video, let us take a look at the new Atlassian Forge. So few days ago, Atlassian announced this Forge, and I have absolutely no idea about this new app development platform. And I thought I'll probably record a video and I'll probably share what I understood from their release of this news of this new platform. And if I look at the website, they have this page called atlassian.com/forge, and it says introducing Forge, the new standard in app development for cloud. Optimize your team's workflow with a serverless platform that offers security by default. So by reading this paragraph, this introductory paragraph, I'm not exactly sure what exactly is this Forge. The only thing that I can figure out is serverless platform. So maybe for doing development, we don't need to worry about setting up the server. I'm not sure. So we'll probably figure out more. And there is a wait list. I guess we can sign up for this wait list. I have already done it, but I'm not sure if they will send me this invite maybe tomorrow or after a week or after a few months. Let us see. I'll keep you guys posted. If you have received the invitation to join Forge, then do let me know. If you look at this page where they have also described a bit more about this new program, the new standard in app development for cloud. It says hosted infrastructure, so build trusted scalable apps with Atlassian hosted compute and storage, eliminating the need to manage infrastructure or security. So I think I'm getting some idea. So if we have to develop something for cloud, so I think the focus is on the cloud. If we have to develop some apps for Atlassian cloud applications like Jira, Confluence, or maybe for Bitbucket, I'm not sure what all applications are included. So it says that build trusted scalable apps. So trusted and scalable, I think these two words are really important because they are trying to talk about the security, and they're also saying that we don't need to worry about the managed infrastructure. So probably they will give us some platform where we can develop the apps and probably we can deploy it. This is my assumption. Effortless customization. So it says customize apps in minutes using Forge UI. So I think this is something we need to be aware of. So they're talking mainly about three things. Hosted infrastructure, where we don't need to worry about the infrastructure. Atlassian will take care of it. The second thing that they're trying to say is there is something called as Forge UI, a declarative language for defining cross-platform user experiences, enabling access from more devices. Okay, so I guess we need to wait and watch. Also, they are talking about streamlined experience, create, test, deploy apps. So they are talking about testing and deploying the apps with the intuitive Forge CLI, featuring a sophisticated DevOps toolchain powered by Bitbucket pipelines. So I think they are trying to convey these 3 points: hosted infrastructure, effortless customization using Forge UI, and they're talking about Forge CLI for building the pipelines. And it says that start building. We're excited for you to see what we have been up to. If you like to try out Forge, please sign up, blah, blah, blah. And your feedback will be critical in building us, in helping us build and scale Forge to developers worldwide. And we'll get back to you. There is also a TechCrunch TechCrunch article about this Atlassian Forge, and they are also talking about the same thing, but they have basically mentioned this line where they say that for starters, it is providing a serverless function as a service. So function as a service is something that honestly I'm not really aware how it will work. Maybe we'll just focus on the functionality without worrying about the platform, without worrying about how to deploy it, and of course without worrying about how it will look like. If I refer back to those 3 points mentioned on the Atlassian Forge page, and it says that the tool is actually built on AWS Lambda. So I guess this will probably give some hints, but to be honest, I think we just need to wait and watch, and I will probably do some research on this topic. The rest of the article is basically talking about Forge UI and Forge CLI, so they have repeated those 3 points. And when I searched on the Atlassian, when I searched on YouTube for some videos, so there are in fact some videos introducing Forge, and there is also a video about Forge app showcase, Forge UI, and I guess there will be a video on Forge CLI. So I will be doing some research on this Forge, Atlassian Forge, and I will probably let you know if this is something that we should be excited for. It seems like something in the right direction, because personally, if I have to develop an app without worrying about the infrastructure, without worrying about how I will be doing the testing, I'm not sure. I'm just guessing. I'm just probably jumping ahead, but I think the overall summary would be that Atlassian is trying to make it easier for developers to develop and deploy apps for their cloud platform. And I will definitely let you know once I have more information on this topic, and once I do some research, I'll probably also make maybe a follow-up video. I'll probably watch those videos that Atlassian has posted, and I'll keep you guys posted. So I hope you enjoyed and you learned something new in this video. Thank you very much.